Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Zelle to Venmo. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So currently there's no a transfer fund directly from Zelle to Venmo, but in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple walkover or a simple workaround on how you can simply transfer funds from Zelle to Venmo, but occasionally and officially there's no a direct transfer or direct deposit for that. So let's get started with the simple workaround process. So the first thing to do is to link your bank account to both Zelle and Venmo. So to do this, for Zelle you have to access your Zelle through your bank's mobile app or online banking portal. Then ensure your bank account is linked and verified with within Zelle. Then for Venmo, you have to open the Venmo app, then navigate to settings, then click on payment method, then click on add a bank or card. Then enter your bank account details and follow the prompt to verify. Then after that, just to do this to transfer funds from Zelle to your bank account. So to do this, use the Zelle to send the desired amount from your Zelle, which is linked accounts, to your bank account. Then transfer within the Zelle and are typically instant, but can take up to a minute. Then from there, you have to add your fund. You have to add fund from your bank account to Venmo. So in the Venmo app, select manage balance or hard money, then choose your linked bank account and the funding source, then enter the amount you wish to transfer to Venmo and confirm. This transfer may take between 3 to 5 business days to process, and that's how to transfer money from Zelle to Venmo. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.